Assalamualaikum class 5th. Let's start our lecture of English A. In previous lectures, we have completed our words meaning sentences and question answer of this unit number 17, the time capsule. And today we are going to start objective of this lesson on your book, page number 87. Unit number 17, lesson number 2, words. Number 1 part is listen and point to the objects. देन लिसन एंड रिपीट के कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं यहाँ पर ऑब्जेक्ट्स दिए गए हैं. नंबर 1 वाटर प्रूफ, नंबर 2 स्टेन रेजिस्टेंट, नंबर 3 नॉन स्टिक, नंबर 4 शॉक प्रूफ, नंबर 5 नॉन स्लिप, नंबर 6 हीट रेजिस्टेंट, नंबर 7 फायर प्रूफ, नंबर 8 नॉन फैट. इनको लेकर इन एक्सरसाइज में जो ये पिक्चर्स दी हुई हैं इनको लेकर हमने इसके सारे पार्ट्स करने हैं. सेकेंड पार्ट इज राइट द फ्रेजेस ऑन 3 lines in your notebook. यहाँ 3 lines हैं जिनमें हमने phrases complete करने हैं हमने. 1 is proof, a waterproof jacket, a waterproof tent. Second, resistant, a stain resistant worktop, a stain resistant chemical. Non, a non-stick pan, a non-stop bus. Third part is complete the sentences with objectives from exercise 1. इस थर्ड एक्सरसाइज को भी हमने जो फर्स्ट पार्ट था उसकी पिक्चर्स को देखकर कंप्लीट करना है. कंप्लीट द सेंटेंसेस विद एडजेक्टिव्स फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज 1. नंबर 1 Ben wears a dash watch when he goes scuba diving. Waterproof. Ben wears a waterproof watch when he goes scuba diving. Second, they have dash stairs in the hospital so that nobody falls down. They have non-slippy stairs in the hospital so that nobody falls down. Third, mom uses dash gloves in the kitchen so that she doesn't burn her hands. Heat resistant. Mom uses his heat resistant gloves in the kitchen so that she doesn't burn her hands. Third, mom uses dash gloves in the kitchen so that grandpa doesn't eat certain foods so he always has dash soup for lunch, non-fatty. Grandpa doesn't eat certain foods so he always has dash non-fatty soup for lunch. Fifth, use a dash pan when you are cooking pancakes because they sometimes stick to the bottom. Non-sticky. Use a non-sticky pan when you are cooking pancakes because they sometimes stick to the bottom. 6. My laptop computer is dash. You won't damage it if you drop. Shockproof. My laptop computer is shockproof. If you won't damage it if you drop it. 7. The workbench in the laboratory is dash. It still looks like new. Stain resistant. The workbench in the laboratory is stain resistant. It still looks like new. Number 8. All the money is kept in the bank in a dash room in the basement. Fireproof. All the money is kept in the bank in a fireproof room in the basement. Next exercise. Number 4. Listen to your teacher and complete the advice for making a time capsule. एक टाइम कैप्सूल बनाने के लिए आप इसको गौर से सुनिए और पढ़िए. हाउ टू मेक अ टाइम कैप्सूल. एक टाइम कैप्सूल कैसे बनाया जा सकता है. यू कैन हेल्प पीपल इन 5000 years टाइम टू अंडरस्टैंड द वर्ल्ड in which you are living today. Number 1. Collect some every objects but don't include batteries, newspaper or food or drink. Include black and white photos, not color ones. Third, add descriptions of the objects. Write in dash, not ballpoint pen. Write in ink. Number 4, dash all the objects. Wrap all the objects separately in plastic envelopes. Fifth, put the objects in a waterproof, fireproof and insect proof time capsule. 6. Wrap the time capsule in waterproof plastic and bury it in a safe place. Let's move on to the next page. Page number 89. Second part, put the sentences in the correct order. इन sentences को आपने correct order में लिखना है. नंबर ए, स्टोरी आपने रीडिंग की होगी तो आपको ये बहुत आसानी से आप ये एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं. Kutut's family slept on the beach. Kutut thought they were near land. See, the ice age came. Kutut's great-grandfather sailed to Sri Lanka. Number 1 is Kutut thought they were near land. Number 1 is Kutut thought that they were near land. The second is F part. Kutut's boat reached the shore. And third is Kutut's family slept on the beach. Number 4, the ice age came. Number 5, people lived on the Asian continent a long time ago. Number 6, Kutut's great grandfather sailed to Sri Lanka. Number 7, Kutut sailed north with his family. And last, number 8, Wayan found a silvery tube. Okay, next part. Read part 2 of the story and answer the question. क्या आपने part 2 उसका स्टोरी का पढ़ना है, उसको अच्छी तरह से सारी आपने स्टोरी पढ़नी है और इसके आपने आंसर देने हैं. Number 1, there was a drawing of the country and a plan of the town. An arrow on the plan showed the location of the time capsule. The number 1 is maps. Second, there were about 100 black and white pictures of school children, families, and town, the park, and the zoo. Second answer is photographs. Number 3, there was a book of pictures with words in a wiggly script under each one. And third answer is picture dictionary. Number 4, there were several pieces of paper folded together with pictures in the front. However, when Kutut started to take them out of the envelope, they fell to pieces and turned to dust. Newspaper. There were some round metal discs about 10 centimeters in diameter. Portable DVD player with solar panel charger. There was a square flat machine with a picture of a hand pushing two discs into the rectangular hole. Another picture showed the solar panel getting power from the sun. How very strange, said Kutut's wife. These look like the records of a settlement that was here a long time ago. I'm so glad that they buried their records, said Wayan. If they hadn't done that, we would not have known anything at all about these people. Okay, sixth answer is portable DVD player with solar panel charger, and the DVDs is our fifth answer. Okay, do all this work in your notebooks and learn it carefully, and read your stories carefully, and do practice of words meaning sentences, and take care.